can see, we're back here in Arlington with the 240. We're at 99 subscribers right now, trying to get to 100. At 100 subscribers, we're gonna do a giveaway. So make sure you hit that subscribe button, notification bell, all that.
Well, keep watching. We're gonna have more details later in the video, but as of right now, let's get to the 240 content.
So today, we're gonna tackle this bad boy. See how it's kind of, oh yeah, poking right there. All right, we're gonna fix that. We don't want these problems right here. You see this? So we're gonna fix that little gap issue.
All right, so right now we are currently going to AutoZone to get some 3M double-sided tape. Today's video will be on the D-Max roof wing I have. Right now it's kind of shitty and needs to be reinstalled, so that's what we're gonna do today.
That boy just found out that that last Ronin's doing a giveaway.
We are here finally at AutoZone. Let's go cop this double-sided tape.
Yeah, but do you think it's parking here or what? This is like all AutoZone parking and shit. If y'all looking for a job or a tap in, they're hiring. $12 for this rinky dink ass shit. This shit ain't gonna do nothing. $12? Bro, that ain't gonna hold nothing down, bro. Goop. Alright, bro, if you're trying to get an extra 10 horsepower, get this right here. It's stylish. Get this.
And
looking for style points? $5 get you right. Fuzzy dice.
I think Evelyn was talking about that earlier.
If you really trying to be, when you getting sideways, get the hula lady. You know what I'm saying? She be twerking on the screen. Bro, how about we put the flames on the 40?
Oh my god.
Y'all want to see? Look, if this video gets 300 views, we'll come back and put the flames on the 40. Or if y'all want, we'll put the flames on the 40 right now. I don't know where we're gonna put them. Where we gonna put them on there?
Shit. Alright, so AutoZone didn't work out because they're fucking taxing on double-sided tape. Just a small ass roll for like, what, $12?
Plus tax.
Yeah, so we are not gonna get that. So we might try maybe Home Depot, Walmart, Lowe's, Advanced Auto Parts. So. Alright guys, we found the double-sided tape at Lowe's for a good deal. I think this roll was like $20 for, I don't know, like extreme roll. So I feel like that's a good deal than what they had at AutoZone. So yep, we can go back to the house and then record. So I guess first step will be to take this shit off. So. It's really on there.
Well, second attempt. Meantime, make sure y'all tap in. We'll get you some nice Flash Ronin stickers. Man,
Come on, man.
woo, man, I don't know about all that red. That's a little too bright, but you know what? That's cool. So it's not that it wasn't on, because as you can see, it's solid. It's just the corners. Teamwork make the dream work, baby. Alright. Yeah, I'm telling you, that's just strong.
The 240 needs some car wash.
Yeah, we're gonna have to wash this after all this, you know what I'm saying? Might have to wash it before, who knows? It's hotter than wolf coochie on a full moon out here, boy. God damn. Making some progress. How's it going so far?
Honestly, pretty easy.
This is a car channel, but I skateboard a little bit. I want to show y'all this trick I've been working on. Watch this.
He gone. He gone.
Let me know what you thought about that.
Alright, we got the last piece. Or she does. Moment of truth. So far, we gotta clean this before we even do anything. We actually cleaned the whole car, but we're gonna do this right for this roof wing. Ta-da! Good job.
Oh, and I got it all on camera.
That never happened. That never happened.
What the hell? Wow.
Alright, so now we are applying the double-sided tape. Hopefully this goes well. Alright. It's fucking ghetto.
Don't worry, it's gonna come out good. Y'all just keep watching. Watch to the end.
Alright guys, so we are done with the roof wing. Looks better than before for sure.
Yeah, there's no more gap. Can't get your finger under there. It's not perfect, but it's definitely better than before, and you can't, oh yeah, through there, so we're good on that.
Yeah, so as of right now, we're gonna probably wait till the sun goes down. Barbecue, chill, whatever. Alright guys, we are done with the roof ring. Now it's time to do the barbecue. As you can see, it's dark outside, and we got the burgers seasoned up, so let's grill some shit.
It's been a long fucking day. That point.
Damn. That shit look fire. Seasoned by the girl.
Alright guys, as you can see, we hit 103 subscribers. Which means we're gonna do a giveaway.
Alright, so on this giveaway, it's gonna be on Instagram. So if you're not following our Instagram, it's gonna be right here. So follow that on Instagram. So what we're gonna be giving away is 2 stickers. 1 and then 2. We got a keychain coming out right now. We just ordered that, so it'll be here by next week. And then we got this tree frog air freshener.
Smell JDM when you're hitting the tailgate, my boy.
So if you want these items, follow the Last Ronin IG.
If you want an extra entry for the giveaway, screenshot the YouTube showing that you subscribe to the channel, and that'll get you an extra entry into the giveaway. Yeah, so make sure you do that.
Subscribers. This is the end of the video, so peace. Woo.